This is a very basic recipe. I used cornstarch mixed with flour. I put it in 2 separate bowls and mixed them together with seasonings. Seasoning like you frying chicken or any meat of your choice. Then to one bowl, you want to add a little water until it gets like to a little bit thinner than a pancake consistency or whatever. Like I try to make it thin because you're going to double dip it. So basically you just see me, doing that. So this is my sauce, the ingredients I use for the sauce. It's very simple. You're going to mix a little bit of each together. There goes the butter. That goes the honey. And then here's the Frank's Red hot sauce. And I'm going to put that in a bowl of water to let it melt down because my microwave went out yesterday. So don't judge me. Or do, it don't matter. But yeah. Oh, and I added garlic to it too. Because, why not? So you dip the egg in the wet batter. Then you dip it in the flour. Then you dip it in the wet batter again. Come on, video. Get the video in. Okay. Dip it in the wet batter again. And then you dip it in the flour again. And you want to dip it twice because you want it to be nice and crunchy and well coated. And these eggs do not hold on to it well. So that's why I double dipped it. Because I'm like, nah, we need to coat that. We need to coat that. And my hands are clean. My hands are clean. Then you drop it in some grease. And you just fry it a little bit, like 1 or 2 minutes on each side. You want it to get nice and golden brown. And there go the first 2 that got done. And I sprinkle some parsley on that to look a little fancy, Look a little fancy, but, it's just very simple. It's just very simple. There go the 3. I burnt the last one, I ain't gonna lie, because I was trying to be greedy and I was trying to rush through this video. But anywho, let's get back to this sauce. The sauce is melting down in the water because, like I said, my microwave went out. But it's still saucing. It's still going to taste good. So y'all asked to see the inside of it. Now, it's really crispy, y'all. So it was actually really difficult trying to cut this open and try to have it look pretty. Look, it's going to get there. It's going to get there. I did not boil the eggs really hard. So I like mine a little bit. Whatever you want to call this. I don't know. But I like mine like this. I don't know what it's called. Y'all can comment. Okay, I like mine like this. Okay. That's how I like my eggs. So then a lot of y'all been saying, bite it. I don't know if I should. I don't know if I could do the audio. Let me see. I don't know if I could let y'all hear the crunch to these. Let me see.